Hello, my name is Elizabeth Gilbert. I am a product data scientist at Gifthealth, which is a Columbus-based company. I live in Cincinnati, and I was a data analytics major at Ohio State from 2016 to 2019. I was involved in the OHIO program as a part of the mentorship team, organizing the mentors for the hackathon, the main hackathon in 2017, and also created and ran, along with the OHIO leaders, Data.io during my time at Ohio State as a data-specific spinoff secondary hackathon program. And hackathons are such a crucial part of a technical student's experience, gaining practice in doing projects faster than their coursework will allow them or give them opportunities to do projects. In my experience in data, this is absolutely true. The thing that people asked me about when I spoke to them about my resume and at career fairs was the project section immediately. That's what they skipped to. Having projects from which I gained at hackathons, specifically all 4 years of OHIO participating, or 3 years participating and 1 year leading, as well as the DataFest hackathons and Data.io, meant that every semester I had fresh projects to talk about that updated and reflected my skills. I had 1 summer of research, 2 summers of internships, and 2 job offers out of college. And working in startups, have transition jobs primarily through the network that I built at Ohio State as a part of the Big Data and Analytics Association, which was the collaborator that I came from working on Data.io. And my most recent job change was through a connection that I made as an OHIO leader. Somebody that was a couple years ahead of me that saw when I posted about the layoff I had in August from Cisco, and recommended me for the role that I am in now, which has been the best fit, most exciting role, and wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't met Mike through OHIO. It's a crucial program. Currently, as somebody who pays it forward by mentoring and connecting with students, I recommend to every technical student, every computer science or data science major, to participate in hackathons, to do projects, to get experience, and be able to speak to it, because that is the best, fastest way to practice and demonstrate the skills you're learning, to connect the dots, and to make useful, meaningful progress and work that connects outside of your classes. So those are the things that are top of mind for me. It was truly crucial and truly formational in my career. I never did a hackathon alone. I always collaborated with a teammate. Having that practice, I've seen it as I mentor students, is crucial to develop strong, well-practiced engineers and data scientists. And it's fun. It keeps it lighthearted and gives you something time-boxed, which is what I loved outside of class, to do and to feel proud of. So it's a really significant program, and I'm really glad it exists. If I lived in Columbus, I would continue. I would be a mentor or be able to attend to the program more often. I've returned to mentor for Data.io as the program that I'm thrilled to see still exists, and truly the impact that OHIO has cannot be understated. I hope it continues for years to come. Flagship hackathon programs are crucial at every university, especially major universities like Ohio State. So thank you for your support of OHIO.